Hello, welcome to PABNASOFT International Research Center. Are you thinking web and software development for your personal or business? Web and web app software development company. Are you thinking for making personal website? Are you thinking for making business website? Are you thinking for making shopping website? Are you thinking for making newspaper website? Are you thinking for making app for your business? Are you thinking for making software for your business? So please contact PABNASOFT for making digital, dynamic and responsive personal website, business website, shopping website, newspaper website, app and software development. Very low price for making every kinds of website, app and software design and development. Other services of PABNASOFT: computer servicing, laptop and desktop computer, all computer and laptop accessories wholesale and retailer, latest domain and top hosting servers sale, outsourcing professional computer training center, Upwork and freelancer, international research center, any types of consultant, benefits of PABNASOFT: very low price domain hosting server, computer training, web app, software development company. 50% discount for SSC and HSC exam students. 100% scholarship for merit and poor students. One student, one computer system. Online or offline method. Anyone can take training online without buying candidates or materials. Anyone can take training offline by PABNASOFT office physically. Scientist engineer Mohammad Abul Fazl, founder, CEO, researcher and computer scientist of PABNASOFT. Expertise on personal web design and development, business web design and development, shopping web design and development, newspaper web design and development, app design and development, software design and development. Expertise of on technology, WordPress CMS, Joomla CMS, PHP, MySQL, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, jQuery, Ajax, Photoshop, Illustrator, ASP.NET, MVC Core, Laravel PHP framework, Coordinator PHP framework, C++, Java, Python and Django framework, networking, CCNA, Oracle 11g Apex 4.0, AutoCAD 2D plan, AutoCAD 3D plan, medicine, marketing and electrical. Contact address: Abul Fazl MCSC @gmail.com, Abul Fazl MCSC @pabnasoft.com, 01718489665, 01309643690, www.pabnasoft.com, www.pabnasoftwebhosting.com. YouTube channel name: Scientist Engineer Mohammad Abul Fazl and PABNASOFT. Facebook: www.pabnasoft.com/scientist Mohammad Abul Fazl. and www.facebook.com/PABNASOFT, Twitter www.twitter.com/PABNASOFT, LinkedIn www.linkedin.com in scientist engineer Mohammad Abul Fazl. PABNASOFT 33, second floor, Haji Islam Plaza, Hajinagar, Sharuliya Damra, Dhaka 1361। ভিডিওতে যদি ভালো লাগে সবাই লাইক দিবেন এবং সাবস্ক্রাইব করবেন। ওয়েলকাম টু পাবনা সফট ইন্টারন্যাশনাল রিসার্চ সেন্টার।